Getting stuck in the story they've told her. Another day where she fades away, never daring to disobey. So she's dreaming all alone, sharing secrets with a stone. My father told me long ago I braved a bitter storm of snow. Is that a girl I'll ever know again? I'm waiting on a wish beneath 1,000 treetops, and as the silver sky stops, I send a whisper to the water. Waiting on a wish, holding out for someday, hoping somehow, someway, I'll become my father's daughter. I close my eyes and see the girl I'm meant to be. Is she a part of me I've yet to find? Wondering, will she appear, or will I be forever here, waiting on a wish? Little girl by a wild wood, how she tries to be someone good, but in the shadow the kingdom's caught, and somehow fairness is long forgotten. So will she rise or bow her head? Will she lead or just be led? Is she the girl she always said she'd be? I'm waiting on a wish beneath 1,000 treetops, and as the silver sky stops, I long to leave the walls behind me. Waiting on a wish, holding out for someday, hoping somehow, someway, there comes a miracle to find me. I close my eyes and see the girl I'm meant to be. Is she a part of me I've had to hide? Wondering, will she appear, or will I spend another year waiting on a wish? They say all you have to do to make your wish come true is let it echo, 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 echo. Your voice will carry through and bring that dream to you, just like an echo, echo, echo. Well, I can hear the echo loud and clear, but I'm still waiting here. Waiting on a wish, beyond a whisper to the water. Waiting on a wish, is it almost someday? Can I somehow, someway, learn to be my father's daughter? Someone who can finally start speaking with a fearless heart. Someone who just might be brave. Someone no one needs to save. Well, I can always dream, but then I wake up and it's me again, waiting on a wish. Waiting on a wish. Waiting on a wish. Thank you.